our stage, which would be the bottom ball. It's only a matter of this far to move up, and then the tree will come down, and then we gotta leave between the last yellow and the green. So we'll be yellow, yellow, yellow. We let go, and we try not to red light.
No, we don't want a red light. You know, it's so interesting. When I got started with the announcing and I asked about the whole thing, or just assumed, I assumed that you wait for the green and then you go. You wait for the green and you go.
You're lost.
Yeah, right.
You're lost.
Yeah.
The whole idea is to, number one, be safe. Number two, to make sure your equipment is all up to par. And three, make sure all the kids in the world are watching this.
Yeah.
Because this is exciting and fun.
Yeah. Oh, we got busy. Hey, there it is.
There's another fellow racer over here. This is Dave. Dave runs the car right here also.
What's going on?
We're going to take Brian for a ride.
Oh, all right.
You're
yeah,
gonna-
I remember you told me last week.
And we're going to have a great time today. And Brian's excited. Everybody's excited. This is the last race for this season.
For this season. Let us be
this
clear
season.
about it. This is the 4th season. It's been an unbelievable ride, pun intended, you know, as that goes. And there's so many people that are very excited about this. Obviously, the folks that are here, and now the folks that have traveled here as part of the Junior Dragsters. And I'm told it's, you know, they've come from quite a few different states to join us here today.
We got, I think, a 32-car field with the Junior Dragsters, and the purse is up about $26,000.
Yeah.
So they'll stagger that down through the ranks of who wins, who doesn't win.
Yep.
So it will all be all going to the kids. That's the name of the game.
Right, and what's great too is that it's going to allow the kids are going to be what's being used. We'll say that sounds terrible. Let's phrase it again. The fact that they're down here with the Junior Dragsters, I think that's going to bring a lot of attention to one, the idea of motorsports, drag racing. We also have the go-karts too. But then what they learn from it, and you know, we keep talking about soft skills and things like that. But
Right.
boy, oh boy, this is a big it's a big part of it.
Okay, we're gonna start it up.
Here we go.
We're up and running, and we're gonna have a good time.
No, absolutely. All right, so let's take a look at what the rest of this looks like. I guess I'm just going to